Ready to transform your living room into a magical movie theater? Let's dive into how you can effortlessly watch Disney Plus on your Samsung Smart TV. First things first, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. You can usually find this in your TV settings under Network or General Settings. Now, navigate to the Apps section on your Samsung Smart TV's home screen. Look for the Apps icon. It usually resembles a collection of squares or dots. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function. Type in Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard or your remote's voice search if it has one. Find the official Disney Plus app from the search results. It should have the iconic Disney Plus logo. Select the app and then click the install button. The download and installation process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, the Disney Plus app icon should appear on your TV's home screen. Select it to launch the app. You'll be prompted to log in with your Disney Plus credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one on the Disney Plus website or through another device. Once logged in, you're all set. Browse the extensive library of movies and shows and start enjoying your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content right on your Samsung Smart TV. If you experience any buffering or streaming issues, try restarting your TV and router. Also, ensure your TV's software is up to date. That's all there is to it. Now go grab some popcorn and get ready for a magical movie night.